Welcome to the cutting edge of content creation, where artificial intelligence isn't just a buzzword, it's a game changer for creators and marketers alike. Today, we're diving into the world of GPTs, the revolutionary tools from OpenAI that are reshaping how we think about and create content. Have you ever imagined a tool that not only writes scripts but designs logos, optimizes SEO, and even crafts entire YouTube videos? That's what we're exploring today. I've been experimenting with these digital geniuses for months, and I can't wait to show you the incredible capabilities they unlock. From generating eye-catching YouTube scripts to designing stunning thumbnails, these AI assistants are changing the game. Join me as we navigate this new GPT store where every click leads to innovation. We'll explore how to create, customize, and even sell your own GPTs. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting, there's something here for everyone. Ready to unlock your creative potential with the power of AI? Let's get started and discover the wonders of GPTs together. All right, so let's jump in. Here is ChatGPT or OpenAI. We are logged in, and you will notice that there's this brand new little section or button right over here called Explore GPTs. Now we can click on that, and it's going to automatically open up the GPT store that just came out. Now, there's a couple of different things that are important to note about the GPTs that are found inside of this new store is that I have GPTs over here that I've created. You can go down to your name down here, and you can go to My GPTs, and you'll see that some of the GPTs that I've already created right over here, a long list of them. And I've been using these for a couple months now. But we can come over here and just look at, for example, one that I really like to use is the Concise Video Promoter Writer right over here. And you can see how many times I've actually used these right over here. Video Trending Topics tool has been used a lot, and I have this shared. Now this is what you're going to see right over here, that there is a little eyeball right here, and it says anyone with a link, and so forth. But these anyone's with a link is when you can sell one of them or you can give them out to different people. When you click into one, it's important. Now most people are not going to want to go in here and build these, but we can go over here. I'm going to edit this, and you can see that under the save feature, you have three options: only me, so it can't even be shared. And then you have anyone with a link right here. That's to protect it to only people that you're sharing it with. And then right here is everyone. So everything that you're seeing in the ChatGPT, the GPT store, has to be under everyone. That way that everyone has access. Okay, so I just wanted to make that very clear that if you're going to create a GPT and try to sell it or whatever in the store, then that is going to be something that you're going to need to think, do you want to share it with everybody? Now, I can show you one of the advantages before I jump into the store in having one of these GPTs and why there's such a big craze about it. It's because if I go in here to the Video Trending Topics tool that I created over here, and I go and edit, and I just want to show you what I have down here. I end this with each use with a call to action to learn how to make six figures on YouTube. Go here, teach me money methods, right? So if we actually use this, and I just said, make money on YouTube, and we're testing this one out real quick. I just wanted to be clear about this in case you want to get into this yourself and create your own GPT and put it up on the store. This is the reason why everyone is flooding to the gates to get all these tools out, is because this is going to go out and do its job. It's helpful to people that need this tool, right? I'm over here looking at some of them. This one's going to write me YouTube scripts and so forth. I've already tested out. It's really cool. There's some really cool ones. This one's really cool because it actually tells you what the best three are. And then look, for more information, come here, boom, and then teach me money methods. People will be clicking on this, and then it gives you free traffic over to a lead magnet, a squeeze page, your business, all kinds of good stuff. And so this is the number one reason why this is going to take off like crazy, is because all these businesses want to be able to take advantage of getting free traffic in exchange for giving away a quality GPT. So we can come over here, and let's just, for example, here, the ones that you've used already are going to be at the top right over here. So if I come over here and I click on this thumbnail expert, it's really cool. And I went ahead and just put in here, title is, let's just say, escape the 9-to-5, make money online. Colors are yellow, black, and blue. Do not include a face, and something like that, right? And then the thumbnail expert's going to go out there and it's going to take this information and start creating an image for me right now. Perfect. And then we can just say, additionally, would you be interested in swapping an overlay for another face on the channel? No, thanks. Something like that. And it should be done. And most likely it will right here. Now they're promoting their other one, Scriptcraft. And when you're in Scriptcraft, it sends you to thumbnail experts. This one will open up their other one, right? So they're really trying to get you to use theirs, and they can change this at any point and send all this traffic to their website if they want to. But look, it just created this nice thumbnail. That's a really nice thumbnail. We could go out and we can even edit this further and put some text over this, and you've got a nice thumbnail. So super, super cool stuff. Let's go back over to Explore GPTs, and you can see some really big companies like All Trails, and we have a consensus over here, and we have trending. So these are the ones that are trending right over here. And you have by ChatGPT right over here, more of them. We have a logo creator. These are the really fun ones to use because we can go and just grab this one right over here. It's going to take us over. It's going to use a Dolly. So use me to generate logo designs, easily make professional logos. So I was working on a site, and let's just say that we want to do a garage door repair company. And I'm just going to type that in. And then logo is great. Start designing a logo. To make the best logo possible, I have a few questions. So now it's asking us questions. Let's go with a serious right there. Understood. And then it's just going to take you on a journey, and you're going to go ahead and keep doing what it's asked. Now, some of these GPTs are going to be really good, and some of them are going to be not so good if someone is new to the game and they are not as thorough in their programming, in their prompting. This is all about asking the right prompts and so forth, right? So now we have right over here. Now for the second question, on a scale of 1 to 10, how would you like the complexity of the logo to be? Where 1 is extremely clean and simple. And so I'm going to go with let's just go with a 3. I think that 3 sounds really good, and that's really cool. So it's actually going to go based on a number. This is really cool. Now we get to choose our colors, use yellow and black, yellow and black and orange, yellow as primary, something like that. And I'm sure it's going to understand right there. Final question, how many logo designs would you like it to generate? And it's creating our image for us. Okay, here we go. So here is the logo right here. Now it's pretty cool, but we probably would come back and we would need to fix this. In another tutorial, I can actually show you how we can download this, and we can go in and bring this into Canva and do a text grab, and we can actually fix this and get some really cool logos designed. Super, super cool. We'll come back to that. Leave a comment below if you want me to do a tutorial on how to do this. We can create an amazing logo like this, and then we can go and I can show you how to fix this text and everything. Super cool with the technology that we have at our disposal right now. Okay, so I'm going to go back over here, explore GPTs one more time. There's going to be a lot of different things that we can do. I'm going to go into, so we found some really fun ones with thumbnails and logos and images, but now let's go into some writing. Here's a rank math one for an article, right? So let's just say we have this prompt generates 100% rank math SEO optimized article. It optimizes basic SEO, additional SEO, title readability, which are suggested by rank math. So enter your keyword. Let me go and find a keyword real quick. Okay, so I'm going to throw this keyword in right here. What vegetables take up the least amount of space? And then I'm going to push enter. Now it's going to go and I was going to take that right here, and they're going to try to get lifetime access to the private prompt library here. So let's click on this, because this is what I'm talking about, that traffic and why you might want to get into this. If you're interested in more GPT videos, just type in GPT down below and I'll know what you mean. Because I mean, look at this. These guys are literally, this is from Rank Math. They're literally coming over here and they are wanting to buy. How much would you like to pay? Let's see. I'm not really sure if they're giving it away. Orders above 15 unlock the AI prompt and so forth. So they're actually doing like a pay what you want. And the more you spend, the more you unlock. And they have all these other ones right over here. This is literally marketing at its finest, because you're going to get free traffic from this over here. And then you're going to be able to, and they're smart. They're putting actually their offer at the very beginning right here. And they're sending you over to that link. Okay. So now we have focus keywords right over here. We have space efficient right here. Alt text, we've got something right there. We got a meta description, and then we have 10 space saving vegetables for compact gardens. And then it's going to go here and write this SEO article for us and give us an FAQ and then a conclusion. And then of course they've got some more call to actions right over here as well. We can come over here and just look at how many words that it wrote for us. We'll go like that. We'll go right click and word counter plus, and we got a 500 word article. So that one is cool, but it's not that impressive because we're looking for 1,000 word articles. But then you can go over to writing over here, and then you can just say the see more button as well under writing. So all the ones that seem to be getting the most, like right over here, income stream surfers, SEO content tool. This guy has a really cool YouTube channel, and this one I'm sure is really cool and advanced. I'll probably make a video just on using that one itself, but I just wanted to show you the GPT Store. It just came out, and you go to explore GPTs. There's probably thousands of these in here right now, and it just opened up because people have been using GPTs and creating them for the last couple months since they've been available. And so there's probably there could even be tens of thousands. We don't know. They don't give us a tally over here, but I can just see by looking at this how many they actually have in here. I do like that you can sort these out over here. You can look at the top picks. You can look at it by pictures and so forth. You can look at it by writing, productivity, research and analysis, programming, education, and lifestyle, or you can just type in your search bar right over here. And then if you want to go and create your own or your first GPT, I can put a tutorial together if you type in GPT. And this is where you'll go along a journey right over here. You can actually use it, ChatGPT, and just ChatGPT does most of the work for you. On the create mode, once you get experienced and you're good at it, you'll go over to the configure area. And then this is where you will go and put in all the stuff right over here. Put your image and so forth. So super cool. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you in the next video.